tell you, I don't like a lot of the companies that we see online, like in commercials and things like that. And I'm like, oh, I hate that company. Blah, 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 blah. But I have to tell you, insurance commercials, some of the funniest damn commercials. Like, I'm sorry, but emu, like when the guy is running across the football field and gets tackled, I mean, that'll make you smile any day of the week. You know what I mean?
Yeah. No, I get it.
I mean,
emu. Insurance was started to help spread the risk across multiple people so that nobody was out a ton of money. And it's really still that basic foundational principle. We call it now the law of large numbers, where people will say, well, I'll just insure my home myself. Well, if you've got a $500,000 home, do you have $500,000 to insure it yourself? Or would you rather pay $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 to have an insurance company take care of it? So you're not out a $500,000 if it were to burn down.
Also, I would like to pick out the details on that, is that you, with the $500,000 of self-insuring, you haven't replaced any furniture. You haven't replaced any silverware. You haven't taken into account the cost of living that you have to have while you're rebuilding and doing.
A great point. Let me make it a little more basic. Your point. The $500,000 is just the structure.
Yeah.
Not your stuff.
Not your stuff and not your living in the process of your home being rebuilt.
But insurance is still essentially the same foundational principles.
Correct.
Now, there are companies out there that take advantage of that and try to make more money than they probably should off of it.
We'll call it bad faith.
I shouldn't say should. They just they try to make more money than other companies. And overall. Now, sometimes you're going to have a really good company that's going to be higher for a particular person than others, but that doesn't mean that they're trying to take advantage of everybody. It's just that there was something about this particular person they felt it was going to be a larger risk.
Well, no, but they may be, what do you call it?
I don't know.
Like overpopulated in that. What's the word? Where they have too many people in that area where they're like, I really don't want to add another person.
Exposure?
Yeah, too much exposure. It's not the word I'm looking for. But like it's higher. They already have quite a large
exposure, property exposure.
Yeah,
so
but like they already have quite a bit of people in this area. And they're like, I mean, I really don't want to take on another guy because if this area gets hit with hail,
true.
Like we're about to get slammed. And so what they're saying is it's kind of like, and Fort Worth does this now. A lot of places in the country do it where it's like parking, something as simple as parking. You go down to whether it's West 7th or you go down to downtown Fort Worth or whatever.